preparing for a day trip. So we're gonna start off by moisturizing my face. I use the Marula cream, and then we're gonna apply a primer. I like to apply it everywhere. I have very oily skin, and it's supposed to help mattify my skin. It also has SPF. I'll start off on my brows. That is a glue that I use to keep them laid and flat, and then I'll go in with my brow pencil to make hair-like strokes and clean up with concealer and foundation. In all of this, we are trying to achieve a clean girl makeup. We're trying to keep it clean, we're trying to keep it simple, right? And we're also trying to be time conscious, so I may have skipped a couple of stages. To clean it, I use a foundation at the inner eye side, and then on the outer eye side I use a concealer. It just kind of gives it like a little highlight look. And also with the foundation at the center, by the inner eye, the idea is so that it's easy to blend with the contour. I have a couple of spots on my face due to pimples, so I love to use a darker shade of concealer as a spot corrector, and before I go in with foundation and contour and everybody else. So once you've applied, just blend with a wet blending sponge. I love to just spread a bit of my certain spray so that the whole thing just sets as we work. And just a little, tip: whenever you're doing your makeup, just try to be slow, give it time, be patient. When you're blending, just blend. I know the idea is to just do a quick makeup look, but it gets like fast once you advance with your skills. But if you're still learning, just practice blending properly so that you don't look like a 2-year-old's artwork. When doing a contour, swoop into your hair, your arc by your cheeks and move it towards your hair. Go for your forehead, move it towards your hair. And if you are somebody who has a double chin, you're gonna appreciate what a contour can really do. So don't be shy, just go at it and enjoy your time. Give yourself some love and appreciate watching the artwork and your work kind of artwork and your work unfolding. Nose contour is tricky. Try to start the line from under your brow and go towards your nose as thinly as you want the whole thing to appear, but make sure you leave room in the middle for where you're gonna highlight. I mean, at the end of the day, you should look like you have a nose, alright? Just for a simple look, you can go in with your bronzer to make a color, to use as eyeshadow. It's just simple because right now what we're trying to do is we're going for a quick look. Makeup look. So we don't want to be putting too much energy and cutting crease and all of that. And if your girl's being honest, she's not good at that. Still learning. Now this is where you get to set tone for your face. Wherever the sun would normally hit, helps to make everything stand out and look beautiful. So you go for all these other parts and make sure that you look good. I just realized that I never applied anything on my lips on this video. Oh my god. Anyway, ciao. Remember to take your time when blending. There's no need to rush anyway. You just need to know that everything it's coming together. So just take your time when you're blending, and yeah. When blending, the highlight on your nose and the one on your forehead, always tilt your a blending sponge, and like it should be upside down, as you can see on this video how I'm holding it, and just go up like that. And then when you get to your forehead, just move from left to right, left to right, left to right, blending, so that it just looks seamless. And remember, patience. The contour, I saw some hand. She said if you kind of do your highlights and your setting of your highlight, right, and then you go back to bronzing that contour, it's gonna get flawless. And when I tell you I kind of like my makeup more, do try it. Let me know how it turns out on you. Go in with your setting spray. I love to apply setting spray twice. I go in once and then I fan it out. You can get this fan from even Chinese stores have it. That's very cheap. It's just change money really. So I love to apply the setting spray now, then let it sit, then go in again, because I don't want to look too powdery and stuff. Now we're going to her. I'm gonna start with my edges. I'm using the Isoplus hairline and edge control. This is just to, just tame my baby hairs and put edges in place. And then I'm gonna style my hair quickly. As for clothes, I'll show you guys the video at the end. I saw this other tip because today I have no intentions of putting on lashes, on how to make it look like your lashes are elongated. So that's just the paper. It's just any paper. You can just use any paper and just put it behind and give it like a kind of, you press your lashes against it. Is there any difference? I think the difference would be major if I used the primer first, but it wasn't bad. I could see the difference from on other days when I just use this mascara without all this paper situation. My hair, I got some locks on, so I'm trying to style them nicely. But these locks, they don't cooperate, you guys. I do not recommend. If you ever see anybody having advertised that they do Jersey Light braids, Jersey Light locks, keep away from them. I do not recommend. It's a regrettable journey, but it was cheap, so what did I expect, So this is my final look. This is how my hair looks now, and my makeup. So the idea is just to go for something subtle, something that doesn't look like you did too much, but you did too much. So hope you'll enjoy. Let me know how you like it. I'm gonna show you all the fit that I'm wearing, and that'll be the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching.